Welcome to SKILLSTURE. Your upskilling is now just at your fingertips. How convenient! Here at SKILLSTURE, we believe that learning should be fun and rewarding. So are you ready to embark on an incredible journey of growth and self-discovery? Come with me! With SKILLSTURE, you will gain access to a vast library of courses covering IR 4.0 skills. Whether you are a professional seeking to stay ahead in the rapidly evolving job market, or an individual eager to explore new skills, our carefully curated courses cater to learners of all levels. Our comprehensive range of courses with skills-free learning skills pathway will equip you with the essential tools to land a secure job and to excel in the digital age. Ready to kickstart your learning journey? Now follow these simple steps to create your SKILLSTURE account and dive right into the world of knowledge. Step 1. Visit our website at www.skillsture.com. Step 2. Click Sign Up at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Enter your information and click Sign Up. Step 4. Once you signed up your account, go to the login page at the top right of the page. Step 5. Enter your email address and password and then click Login. And there you go, you're all set. Now that you've got the tools to succeed, it's time to unlock your potential and embrace the joy of learning with SKILLSTURE. SKILLSTURE, master the skill that matters.